lap 30:01, 57.70. Wow, everybody, if you enjoyed this train video, can you give this video a big thumbs up? Smash that thumbs up button. I would love that if you could do that for me. Also, if you're new and you came along this train video, hit that red subscribe button down there and subscribe to my channel and check out my other train videos here I got plenty, so feel free to check them out. Also, hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload a train video, you'll be notified if YouTube lets you know. Also, if you could do me a big favor, is leave comments. I'd like to know where you're watching me from and what train do you get in your neck of the woods. Just curious, what do you get? Here where I live at, we get a lot of Canada National. And sometimes we'll get other kind of ones, but mostly Canada National. Because they're the only ones that run in our town. We do have Norfolk, but he doesn't run much. That's NS. I think he only runs at nighttime. I've gotten him a couple times. But he doesn't run no more in the daytime. I don't understand why. But let me know, who do you have? But until next time, people, they call me Mr. Canada National. And this train video's over. Have a good one. And take care, everybody.